continue to track some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. Not everybody's getting wet. Not everybody will get wet, but those that do will certainly see some heavier downpours. All this pushing to the east-northeast at a clip of around about 20 miles per hour. Starting to see some cells developing out across Carroll County. We certainly have the bulk of the rain situated from West Virginia into areas just north of the Roanoke Valley. I will tell you that again, we do have this flash flood warning in effect for Roanoke until 10:30. The good news is areas under that flash flood warning are really starting to dry out, so therein lies some very good news. The bulk of the rain in Bedford and also into Botetourt counties right along Interstate 81. Buchanan right now certainly getting wet or about to get wet very, very soon. Lewisburg also seeing some heavier downpours as we speak. I want to broaden the scope a little bit for you, and I want to show you what we're seeing to the north of us. To the north of us, that is where we have many severe thunderstorm warnings. Each area that you see shaded in this orange color has seen or is under a severe thunderstorm warning either right now or for the last hour or so. In yellow also, that's where we have a tornado watch. To the south, we also have a tornado watch. So the tornado watch boxes are for portions of Georgia, South Carolina, Ohio, and also Pennsylvania. We're embedded in between, and doesn't mean we're out of the woods as far as any severe weather. Just because we're not under any watch box, it means that the bulk of the severe weather is going to stay to the north and to the south of us. But we here locally could certainly have the chance for a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings as we head throughout the course of the evening. I want to talk to you about Mayfield, Kentucky, okay? This is a system that's impacting us right now that has impacted so many folks over the last couple of days, including western parts of Kentucky. 8 to 12 inches plus of rain near Mayfield, Kentucky set the new record for daily rain in the state of Kentucky. The chance of seeing this much rain in 24 hours is 0.1% per year. Okay, so the amount of rain they saw in Kentucky happens very, very, very seldomly. Okay, so the good news for us is we haven't seen any rain like that for the last couple of days, but just know any storm that we get here this evening will likely be a gully washer from now through about midnight. We're going to continue to have the chance for maybe a couple of leftover showers through about 4 or 5 a.m., but the good news is by Friday, we're going to dry out. Friday's going to be partly to at times mostly sunny, and while a stray shower is possible tomorrow afternoon, the vast majority of us are dry on Friday. Saturday looks to start with skies partly to mostly sunny. Just like on Friday, on Saturday, you may have a stray shower to contend with during the heating of the day, but you need to know most of us are dry here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Looks like as we head into Monday, that chance for rain and thunderstorms will start to creep back up again for us. It's 83 in Lexington, also in Lynchburg, Danville too, 78 in Roanoke. You've cooled down significantly since that rain pushed overhead over the airport. It's 73 Blacksburg and 75 in Hillsville and Galax. Going to have that chance for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms tonight. Overnight lows about 63 to 71. 3-day zone by zone forecast showing that highs are likely going to be in the low to mid 80s for the next 3 days in the NRV. Your warmest day in the Highlands will probably come tomorrow. And in Southside, you're in the lower 90s Friday, then you fall into the mid to upper 80s Saturday and Sunday. For Lynchburg, you're going to have certainly the chance for some isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through here tonight. The good news is you're for the most part dry Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hit or miss activity returns Monday, Tuesday. Then it'll dry things out again Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And across the Roanoke Valley, we go from 90 tomorrow into the 80s Saturday through Tuesday, right back up to 90 to 92 Wednesday and Thursday of next week.